game players should receive 1,000 chips when they spend 10 euros, and similarly for like 100 euros, 500, and all the stuff. So I created an automation for this, like in Pipedrive. It is listing the persons with all the data, and it's checking if the total amount spent exists. It will only proceed for that mails, that leads, and if it is greater than 9. So I added the router for the 5 scenarios the client gave me on this, like 5 things, 5 chip scenarios. So in the filters I created the filter like whenever the total amount spent is more than 10 and less than 100, and if the chip ID is not equal to 31. So what is the chip ID? I created an custom field where I'm mentioning that $10 1,000 chips are being sent. Whenever it does not exist, then it will send the chips. So this way we can't have any duplicates. So making it perfect, I added these filters, and then it will update the person and send the it will take the previous custom chips and add 1,000 more chips in it and send the mail to that person as well, like, hey, you have a good news, you are receiving a small gift of 1,000 chips from us for the 10 euros you have spent. So similar to this one, I have added all the 5 scenarios. Hope you like this automation and you want to implement in your make.com account. If you have any questions, please leave your comments and I will try to reply you as soon as possible.